Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we will see another very important job description, and that is job description of a social media marketing. Okay, basically this job description of a social media marketing, it is not only important from the perspective of employer or a company, but it is also very important from the perspective of employees as well, because in this job description we have included many important roles and responsibilities of a social media marketer that helps potential candidates to work on important requirement in order to meet the specific requirement of this particular job. Okay, so basically like we all know that every job description, it starts with an introductory paragraph which is called as a job summary paragraph. Okay, and generally it is a brief paragraph, and it states about a particular job title firstly, for which the particular company is looking to hire its potential candidate. In our scenario, it is for a social media marketer. Then in this job description, very important key roles and responsibilities are mentioned by the company, as well as some very important necessary important skills, okay, as well, in order to find its potential candidate. Okay, like I have created this particular sample, okay, of a social media marketing job description, and this is our job summary paragraph. If I can read for you guys, we are searching for a talented social media marketer to represent our company by building a social media presence for our brands. The social media marketer will be required to run advertising campaigns and drive engagement by creating high quality original content. You should also engage influencers, manage our community by responding to comments, and oversee our customer service across all platforms. To be successful as a social media marketer, you should possess a wealth of pertinent marketing experience. Ultimately, a top notch social media marketer should back their expertise by creating and sharing all relevant technical documents. Okay, so this is our job summary paragraph. Okay, then after the job summary paragraph, we have this particular section of our duties and responsibilities. Okay, like all these are the detailed duties and responsibilities of a social media marketer. Okay, like if I can read for you guys all these detailed duties and responsibilities. As a social media marketer, you must run company social media advertising campaigns, formulating high quality novel written and visual content for each social media campaign, building a social media presence by maintaining a solid online presence, monitoring the company's brand on social media, building brand awareness by engaging relevant influencers, managing our online communities to ensure respectful and appropriate engagement, responding to comments on each of our accounts, overseeing customer service provided via social media, analyzing data to determine whether social media campaigns have achieved their objectives or not, coaching employees company wide on content creation best practices. Okay, so all these are the detailed duties and responsibilities of a social media marketer. Okay, and there's one important thing that I need to add here. Okay, like all these duties and responsibilities are important, and generally these are part of every job description of a social media marketer. But because of the reason that a lot of companies also have different requirements, so they can include and exclude this particular roles and responsibilities section with as per their own requirement as well. Okay, then after this particular duties and responsibilities section, we have the qualification, or you can say education, or requirement section. Okay, right here, this section includes the education, skills, and sometimes experience requirement that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for a job of a social media marketer. Okay, so in this particular job description sample, they want a bit of experience as well. Okay, but it is not necessary for all particular companies. Like if they want a requirement of an experienced social media marketer, then they include this particular requirement in this particular section. Okay, then we have experience developing social media strategies. You must have experience working with and developing a marketing plan. You must have the ability to develop the right voice for each social media platform. Okay, you must have proven ability to build social media communities. You must have the understanding of graphic design principles. You must have an experience as a brand manager on social media and the ability to measure the success of campaigns. Okay, so all these are the requirement, or you can say qualification, of a social media marketing job. Okay, and at the end, the job description ends with a call to action paragraph right here that states how a potential candidate can apply for a particular job, or in easy words you can say that how they approach to an HR department to get more information about a job of a social media marketer. So basically a medium of contact is written in this particular section by a company. And finally, our job description is ended here. I hope you like today's video on a job description of a social media marketing. If you like this video, do appreciate our hard work in creating this sample and video for you by subscribing our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page. And do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material, not just related to these topics, but many other important career oriented videos as well. So this is the video for all of you guys. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.